At 2:17 a.m., every signal from the facility went silent. No warning, no distress call, just darkness, buried deep in the frozen wilderness. Inside, survivors were trapped. Time was running out, and the storm was closing in. One team was sent where no one else would go. They crossed the ice, entered the shadows, and found something far worse than the cold. The structure was collapsing. Fear was spreading. Every second became a fight to stay alive. But heroes are not chosen in safety. They are revealed in chaos. This was not just a rescue mission. It was a race against the end.
All right, the video you just finished watching now is created with AI, obviously. So in this video, I'm going to show you every step by step I follow to create this particular video without paying anything on any website or to any AI. So I'll be showing you every step by step, and I will be showing you the 3 AI I used to create this particular video. Yeah, the video may not look so detailed. I just created it in a short period of time to explain the work the AI can do. Yeah, so in this video I'm going to clearly show everything, every step by step, and how you can also do it, how you can create unlimited AI videos for free. If you are watching my video for the first time, or you are coming across my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell, because I drop videos like this from time to time, and whenever I drop it, you'll be among the first that will get notified. Now I would like to clarify something. Whenever I bring an update and says it is free and it is unlimited, whenever I say it is free, I'm trying to tell you that there are several things you can do on the particular on the website. There are several things you can do with the AI without paying. You can achieve your desired results without paying. Let me give you an example. If there is a website where you want to generate a story, and the words for that story is 10,000, but the website is giving you the chance to only generate 5,000. I said it in some of my videos that once you are done with the 5,000, you can log out and log in with another email and continue to generate your work. And at the end of the day, you have your result without paying anything. You have your result without paying anything. Now, talking of the video I just created, I'm first of all going to show you the AI websites I used. The 3 websites I used, I'm going to show you. Then after that, we'll now dive to how I was able to create the video. Now, the first AI I used is Qwen 3.5. So the first AI I used is Qwen 3.5. The second one is Hugging Face, and the third one is Meta AI. I believe everybody knows Meta AI. So let us first of all check what these 3 AI can do. Now, come to your browser and type Qwen 3.5. You can see it here, Qwen 3.5. Now, once you type Qwen 3.5, you can see the first one. This is the logo of Qwen 3.5. Click on it. I need to be straight to the point because we have a lot of things to clear in this video, down to how the video was created. So once you open the Qwen 3.5, you see this Try Qwen Studio. Come here and click on it. Try Qwen Studio. Now this Qwen 3.5, we are going to be using it to generate images. So every image you see in the video you just watched, I use Qwen 3.5 to generate them. Although there are some other AI websites that you can use to also generate quality images and see your desired results. If you have been watching my videos on this channel, you'll see that I've made videos on other AI websites where you can generate quality images as well. Yes. Now this Qwen 3, okay, this is 3.6 plus, and don't forget what I said. Every AI has their limits, but the hack we use is to get the number of work we can get on the first one, then we log out and log in with another email, and at the end of the day we achieve our result without paying anything. All right, so if you want, the first thing I want you to check on this website, if you want it to think before giving you answer, if you want the answer to be fast, So that is it about that. Now the first thing, let me come to this browser and show you the script, because the first thing I did was to generate the script. And like I said, this is not one high level video. I just had to make the video so that I can easily explain to you and show you the practical example of how these 3 websites were used to make the video. So I said I want you to generate a 2-minute rescue mission video. I want you to give me a top-notch script and outline images that will go with it on high standard. So I just formulated the prompt, and I was able to, I didn't even pay attention to the title. I was able to get the scene by scene. Now after getting the scene by scene, I did not actually bother to go through the scene by scene. I just said give me the image generation prompt separately and in a very detailed manner. So I got the image generation prompt, which is very simple and straightforward. After that, I said give me the video generation prompt separately and in a very detailed manner that will be used to prompt transforming the images to video. So I got another prompt that I used to transform the images to video. All right, so once I get the first thing I did, I got the images prompt. Let me check out something. I got the images prompt, I copied the prompt. So let's come to our coin 3.6. I paste it here. Now send. So let us check out something, because I want to show you one other thing this particular website can do. All right, so you see we have the image here. According to the prompt, it says a wide cinematic shot of a remote Arctic research facility at night, surrounded by endless snow and ice. All right, so we have the image here. Now if you click on this image, this is what I wanted to show you. Create video. We can actually transform this image to video, but I will not lie to you, it takes time. So let's say I've clicked on create video. Now you see the image is now here and we have to describe what we want. So let's go back and copy the video prompt. So you see the video prompt is here, so let's copy it. Animate a wide shot of an abandoned blah blah blah. All right, so I've copied it. Now check this, you now paste it here, you see. Then after that you click on send. But I will be sincere with you, it will take time. That's why I did not use this particular AI to transform my images to video. I only use this AI to generate my images. All the images I used in that video, I use this AI to generate everything. So let's move to the next AI without wasting our time. Now the next AI we are going to check out after getting my images is Hugging Face video generator. So you can type Hugging Face, you can type Hugging Face video generator. Let's click on send. Once you have it here, go for this first one, huggingface.co video generation. Just click on video generation. So I already have an account here, but let me log out. So for the sake of, let me just sign out. Now let us check this one. Yes, please pay attention to this. You see I logged in here already, so you can log out and sign up again. So you can see you can sign up. This is just like it is like ChatGPT. If you see their interface, everything is like ChatGPT. So you can easily sign up and follow every procedure. But for this, you can use your random Gmail. You can use temporary Gmail to sign up for this one. But for this Hugging Face, now look at this side, you can see sign up here. Let's sign up. Let's just sign up on a new account so that I can show you how it works. Let me check if I have any email address to use. So okay, let us sign up. I have an email address to use. So once you can see, if you are creating your password, it must contain at least 8 characters, must contain uppercase, lowercase letters and numbers. Everything must be there. and you don't need to even remember anything here. I just formulate random password, because once you are done with it, it's no more useful. So username, just form any username, full name. Now once you fill this username and full name, the next thing, just come down here, click I have read and agree. You don't need to fill any other thing. Create your account. So let's wait for the account to create. So tap on all objects built by humans, this and this. Okay, I think just these two, this and this and this. Click on verify. Yes, all right. So we have our account. Don't pay any attention to this. Please check your email address for a confirmation link. You don't need it. So the next thing, you see, if you check this top side, this space is rather, click on spaces. Now this is what I'm talking about. This particular website is crazy and it is amazing. I can tell you for free, it is amazing. Now you see a lot of tools here. 1 2 3 4. We have a lot of tools. You see, even from 1 to 100, we have a lot of tools. A lot of tools you can use for free. But don't forget what I said. When you use for free and you generate a particular number of stuff you need, and then you see that it is there is no more chances for you to keep creating more, you just log out, then create another account with another email and continue. So this is what we are now coming to use. Generate a video from an image with a text prompt. Now you see, high quality voice cloning for 600+ languages. We have a lot of tools. High resolution multi-view 3D generation with PBR. Generate animated videos from text. You can do a lot of things. You can do too many things here, but let's go straight to the point. We are using this and generate a video from an image with a text prompt. So that's what we are using. Let's wait for it to load. Now once it loads, you can see this area. These things are very simple. You see drop image or click to upload. We are going to be uploading. Okay, all right, so let's upload. Drop image here. You just click on this side and upload the image. That is the first image. So while it's uploading, let's copy the prompt. This is number 1 prompt for video image to video prompt. You can see, let's copy the prompt, come here and paste it here. You can see prompt here. Just paste it, clear this one and paste. Now there's one interesting thing here. You can see duration, that is seconds. It's already on 5 seconds, but you can increase it down to 10 seconds. Video fluidity, frame per second. Extra frames will be generated using flow estimation, which estimates motion between frames to make the video smoother. Leave it as 16 as it is. Now our video is going to be in 10 seconds, but in most cases I like to use 8 seconds, because when you are making an action video, just hit everything and go straight to the point. There is no need to prolong unnecessary drama. All right, so once you have placed the prompt, the next thing, click on generate. All right, so our video is ready, and you can see the video is 8 seconds. It is 8 seconds long. Now this is how to use this particular website. And now the next thing you will do is, you see this top right side, this place here, you can see it here. So I'm trying to make it obvious. Just click on this download and it will download to your device. So this is how I created my videos, and I also created the let me say I created 50% of the videos. Out of 12 images, I created 6 here, and the remaining 6 was created on this last website, which is Meta AI. And this is no news. This one is very common to everybody. So there is nothing special here. Just come here, you can sign out, check the downside, you can sign out and create another account. This one is very straightforward and simple, just the same way we have experienced on several other websites I've showed. Now this is what you want to do here. You see this create, you can choose these vibes and you can choose create, but let me choose create. And then this is image, always check this side, and this is 9 by 16, leave it as 16 by 9, then change it to video and paste your prompt. Before pasting your prompt, upload the image, then paste your prompt, and that is it. You get your image and then you download. So the next thing, now let us quickly head over to CapCut and let me quickly explain how everything was created. So first of all, after generating all the images, remember we transform everything to video. We transform all the images to videos. Then the next thing I did, I came to, you see, after everything I said, this is what I said here, this is what I wrote here. I want you to give me a powerful 1-minute script in a thriller style. Although I was not supposed to use thriller, I said in a thriller style that I can use for the video, and I got the script. Now when I got the script, I copied everything. So this is what I did. I copied everything. I came to my script doctoring page here, script doctoring page. I pasted everything here. So this is exactly what I did. I removed all the timestamps. Sorry, I removed all the timestamps. I removed all the timestamp. Then I copied everything. And I came to 11 Labs. So I actually use 11 Labs Premium just to make it faster. You can see everything is even here. I've not deleted it, and this is the script here. You can see
at 2:17 a.m. every signal from the facility went silent. No warning, no distress call, just darkness.
Now after generating my voiceover, I came back to CapCut, and you can see the voiceover. I split everything, but let me show you what I actually did. I want to undo everything so that you can understand it perfectly. Now I have
10 a.m.
Let me mute this. Sorry for my voice. I want you to hear the background music. You can easily get any background sound. I want you to hear the background sound first of all. I see background sound. I got it from Pixabay. So I always get my sound according to what I imagine. You can see what I typed here. I typed boom sound. Oh sorry, before I type this boom sound, I just came here to get action. You can see action. Okay, action trailer, sorry. So you just listen to it and get any voice that you like, and you can download it and upload it on CapCut. So after I got my voiceover, so this is the voiceover now. This is the voiceover. Let me mute this and let's listen to the voiceover. Let's listen to the voiceover.
At 2:17 a.m., every signal from the facility went silent.
Now, when I got the voiceover and I discovered that okay, this voiceover is not the same. It's not on the same length with the videos I've been able to gather. Then I decided to split the voiceover. Just this. Now you need to be creative on your own to do something like this. Just think of what to do. Now
at 2:17 a.m., every signal from the facility went silent.
Now after saying went silent, I clicked on this, then I separated it. So remember, this particular video is not how to use CapCut. I'm sorry about that. So but I'm sure majority of us know how to edit videos. Although I'm still going to make a very simple video on how to use CapCut on the laptop and on your phone. Now, so I split it and
At 2.
let me increase the sound now. Okay, sorry, let me unmute. And one thing I always do in my videos, I always increase the voiceover. It is very important.
17 a.m. Every signal from the facility went silent. No warning, no distress call, just darkness.
Now, let me shift it more. I shifted it this side.
Facility went silent.
Then when I see that, okay, this old radio is long, I just have to reduce it. Just click on it and reduce it.
No warning, no distress call, just darkness, buried deep in the frozen wilderness.
Now I got it again. Now this has to do with your own kind of creativity. You might do it and even do it better than me.
Inside, survivors were trapped. Time was running out, and the storm was closing in.
Now you can cut again. So this is how I was able to adjust everything.
One team was sent where no one else would go. They crossed the ice, entered the shadows, and found something far worse than the cold.
Now let's cut again and expand.
The structure was collapsing. Fear was spreading. Every second became a fight to stay alive.
Now, I want it to, okay.
The structure was collapsing. Fear was spreading. Every second became a fight to stay alive. But heroes are not chosen in safety. They are revealed in chaos. This was not just a rescue mission. It was a race against the end.
Now, that is the end of the video. You can just
Again.
let us reduce this to make it. Let's see. Okay, so everything is perfect now. The next thing I did, you see this the mountain stuff. Let's listen to it now. Okay, this particular one.
They crossed the ice.
No, there's one other sound. Okay, I think I've deleted it. Let's import it if it's still there. Okay, all right. Okay, yes, this viral audio. So I will show you how I use this particular one, but before that, let me quickly, I have to rush this video because the main goal of this video is to show us every hint, every step by step, so that you can easily do it on your own. Now I don't need to beat around the bush. Now this is the transition I used, so let's put all the transition. Let's put all the transition.
He went silent.
So we've added the transition, and now I discovered that, just pay attention to this side. I discovered that once you get to this transition, you see the transition I use. So as it is coming out to another scene, I want a sound. I want a sound to come with this. So I just went to my Pixabay. I just entered. I said I want a boom sound. So once I have the sound, I actually need to, I just listen to everything. Okay, this is the one I use. Alright, so I downloaded it, but if you listen to it, you will see that it is very slow. So I just had to make it fast. This is it here. I downloaded it and I brought it down. Now, as I brought it down, I need to make it fast. I came to the speed, made it very fast. So let's listen to it. If
He went silent.
okay, no.
facility went silent. No warning, no
I did that to wait.
facility went silent.
It is too slow. Let me make it faster. Alright, so we have it.
Silent.
Very good. So just take your time. Now take your time and do this perfectly. So you come here, put everything there. Now to give it more.
No warning, no distress call, just darkness, buried deep in the frozen wilderness.
Alright, so that is it. Just give it more. You can take time and add more, add more pepper, add more stew. Sorry. Just add something good. Now, the next thing you want to do, check the
Signal from
videos one after the other. Make sure you are using 16:9, and any video like this particular one, just increase the scale. Okay, and make sure it is fit into this box. Now let us use a few seconds.
At 2:17 a.m.,
What we have.
every signal from the facility went silent. No warning, no distress call, just darkness, buried deep in the frozen wilderness. Inside.
Alright, so that is all about that. And once you are done with your video, the next thing you want to do is export your video. Once you finish adding everything you want to add, you can come here, export your video, and that is it. Alright, so I believe in this video you've been able to learn one or two things, and if this video has been helpful to you, please kindly do it to subscribe to my channel. I'll be very grateful, and click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop more valuable video like this, you will be notified. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you.